Welcome back to KSM Pharma Tech YouTube channel. Kindly see the disclaimer and we'll start the content. This video is for public awareness only. It does not offer medical advice. We do not target or blame any specific company, product, official, or manufacturing process. Please consult a healthcare professional for any concerns. Let's start the video. Toxic cough syrups have claimed lives across continents. In this urgent episode, we expose the hidden killers, diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol found in contaminated formulations, and explain how they damage the kidneys, brain, and nervous system. Cough syrups are meant to heal, but what if the same medicine turns harm to patient? Let's uncover the shocking truth about cough syrup contaminants and how they can harm the human body. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, contaminants are unwanted or harmful substances that enter the product during production or storage. In cough syrups, these contaminants can be chemical, microbial, or even physical. The most dangerous are chemical contaminants like diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol. They are toxic industrial solvents, sometimes used accidentally or due to poor quality raw materials such as glycerin or propylene glycol. Effects: these toxic chemicals damage the kidneys, nervous system, and can even cause death. Many tragic incidents worldwide reported. Microbes such as Burkholderia cepacia or Pseudomonas can grow in syrups if hygiene isn't maintained. They can worsen cough, cause fever, and lead to severe infections, especially in children. Sometimes, syrups contain traces of heavy metals like lead, mercury, or arsenic from contaminated water or equipment. These cause long-term toxicity to the brain and kidneys. Even tiny particles like dust or rubber can make a product unsafe. To prevent such tragedies, strict good manufacturing practices, GMP, must be followed. Every batch should be tested for solvents, microbes, and heavy metals as per WHO and pharmacopoeia guidelines. Cough syrups save millions of lives, but only when they're made with care and compliance. Quality is not just a standard, it's a responsibility. KSM Pharmatech, empowering pharma knowledge. Subscribe for more pharmaceutical awareness videos.